Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to open an account in CBank. So, yung una nyong need gawin is i-download nyo muna yung app from App Store or Play Store, whichever you have. And then, you can sign up with your phone number or pwede ding Shopee account. Pero with this video, ang pinili ko is phone number. After that, you know the drill, magsisend sila sa inyo ng one-time password and you just have to type it in. Next step is to create a password. Make sure that the password is 8 to 16 characters long and it contains both letters and numbers. It will also ask you to activate your Face ID. So, click nyo lang yung activate now. It may be different sa mga naka-Android pero with Apple, ganyan yung lalabas. To start facial verification, make sure to click yung orange na tab sa babang part and then allow nyo lang yung access sa camera. Turn on nyo yung light guys para mas ma-detect yung face nyo and hindi kayo mahirapan mag-verify. Here are the list of IDs na ina-accept nila. So, kailangan nyo lang mag-provide at least one lang. And then, click nyo lang yung take ID photo pag nahanap nyo na yung ID card ninyo. Most of the time sa mga bank, ang inihingi talaga nila is primary ID like UMID, driver's license, and the like. So, make sure you have it prepared with you. Same drill, kailangan maganda yung lighting sa area para mas maskan yung mga text. After that, click nyo lang yung confirm. So, mag-auto-populate yung mga information na nakalagay sa ID card ninyo and then click nyo lang yung next. And then, for additional details, kailangan nyo lang i-provide yung city of birth nyo, occupation, company industry, company name, kung ilan yung salary range ninyo. So, to protect my personal information, i-blur ko na lang yung mga information na nilalagay ko kasi legit na open account to guys, hindi to eneme lang. I won't go through it na kasi mostly personal information lang naman to and pretty much naka-blur lang din to sa video. So, after that, click nyo lang guys yung next to proceed. And make sure guys na tama lahat ng information na nilagay nyo para hindi kayo mahirapan when it comes to approval na. I recommend guys na basahin nyo rin yung term of service ng bank para alam nyo rin yung agreement ninyo. And then, you have to create a 6-number secure PIN. So, ito yung gagamitin nyo every time na magla-login kayo. And then, you will receive a confirmation message sa email ninyo that your application has been received. And then, sabi nila within 24 hours yung approval ng bank. Pero with me, I think 8 ako nag-file ng application and then mga 11 ata na-receive ko na din yung text message that it was approved. So, yun guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Bye!